Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you a spin effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag your footages to the timeline. Then click on them and go to Animation. Find the photo spin 3 and click on it. After that, export it. Delete the footages and drag the exported file to the timeline. Then crop it at the beginning and end. And also at the middle when the transition appears. Then right-click on the first clip, go to Video, Crop and Zoom and choose Pan and Zoom. Select the inner part, make it smaller and in the middle. Do the same for the other clip. And when you're done, click on this icon. This is what we have for now. We can make it more interesting and put the cartoon effect above. Also, go to Transitions and choose the cross zoom. That's it for this video, guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.